how to mix up some of our favorite signature drinks. Today we will be mixing up our favorite drink, our Georgia Peach. What this drink consists of is Hennessy, agave, raw, organic, sweet and sour, and we like to use peach Minute Maid, but any peach juice that you have is fine. Also, make sure you have your shaker. A 9-ounce cup. You can find these very affordable at Walmart, Party City, or Sam's Club, or whatever cup you have at home. This drink is really good for Netflix and chill. This drink is also really well for rainy days like today. All right, so let's get started. We're gonna first start off by putting ice in our shaker. We're gonna use about 1 shot of the Hennessy because you don't want it to overpower the taste. We're gonna use our agave in the raw. It is an organic agave nectar. We're gonna use we use the peach Minute Maid, but like I said, you can use any peach drink that you have at home that you like. And we're gonna do about 2 pours of this. And 1 pour of our sweet and sour. We're gonna shake it up. We just top it off with a lime, and there you are, our signature Georgia Peach. See, that took 20 seconds of your time. Very simple drink. Don't forget to try it at home. Let us know what you think. Leave us some feedback, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel.